To my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And I'm coming to you without makeup just because I don't feel like putting it on. It's Sunday. I had to go running a little bit, but like running around to go get something. That's bad, but I just worked a festival this weekend for the past 2 days. So for today, I worked 2 weeks ago. So I'm worn out. I'm tired. I didn't want to put it on. I did get it, I do believe Friday, but I was working the festival all day. So yeah, yesterday. So didn't get to open it then. It doesn't really matter. But I finally got my Ipsy Glam bag. Plus, I was not previously subscribed to this because I never got the email to be able to subscribe to this. And then finally they opened it up to everybody, and I did like over a month ago. Like subscribe to this, like when they first sent me or opened it up. That's when I first did it, like at the beginning of the month, and I was already charged for it, and it still arrived this late. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up. It's more expensive than BoxyCharm. I actually want to say it's like $25 or $27 with tax or something like that. To say Glam Bag. Plus you open it up. Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. That's cute. Ooh, this is fun little foam. It's all blue. I haven't really seen foam. You open it, that's what it looks like. It says Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, your dreams are your realities in waiting. Hashtag Ipsy Daydream, which is the theme of the month's regular bag. And you open up, it does have a whole, like everything that's in here is listed. So first thing I'm going to pull out is from Il Makiage Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. Doesn't contain carmine. Does have rice real high. With Il Makiage. I would think that that was like Japanese, but they don't have L's. So I don't know if it's a Korean brand or what. Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara, value $25. So you can't be bothered to fumble with falsies. Me all the time. Reach for a mascara that pumps up your natural lashes minus the messy glue. The football-shaped silicone brush grips and coats even the tiniest of lashes, lifting, curling, and lengthening all at once. It's lightweight, won't weigh down your and doesn't clump, but it doesn't say anything about long wearing or smudge proof or anything like that. So I don't think it is. Next up, from Tokyo Milk, I got this lip gloss. Luxury or luminous lip, bring your lips to life with moisture rich radiance. Dewy pout meets radiant shimmer for an out of this world luster. In sheer. Color is sheer. Okay. It is valued at $21. If you've ever wondered if you could find a lip gloss that does it all, the Tokyo Milk formula gives your lips a shiny finish with a hint of shimmer without feeling tacky. You still get that dewy shine and a wash of pink color, but without risk of getting hair stuck on your lips every time you turn your head. See, you really can have it all. Wear it alone for a sheer pink wash of color and tons of shine, or layer it over a bright lipstick for a bold look. Cat's hopping around. I'm gonna open up. I don't think I'm gonna keep it. I have enough sheer lip glosses or pink lip glosses, and I have ones that are way more shimmery and metallic-y. Like I have a gorgeous one from Dose of Colors that I love. So I'm just gonna, I don't know, put that aside and get somebody. That's fine. Okay, next up from, oh, and all these are like full size too. From El Thermal Avene Mask Apicent Soothing Moisture Mask, I guess, for sensitive skin. So that's actually good. My skin can be super picky. Super picky a lot of times. I'm trying to find this out there. No. Okay, open it up. This is your day is valued at $26. Your daily moisturizer is good, but incorporating a super hydrating mask into your skincare routine will moisturize your skin the way a face cream can't. This thick and creamy L-Thermal Avenue mask is powered by spring water, which penetrates deep into the skin to soothe, soften, and calm stressed out complexions. It's so hydrating, it even provides instant relief for burns, sunburns, yes, and day-to-day redness. Plus, it's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. Apply a thick layer to clean dry skin. Don't forget your neck once or twice a week. Allow your skin to soak up all the good stuff for 10 to 15 minutes. The cream will stay creamy, so don't worry about it drying out on you. Tissue off any excess. So you just layer it on thick and let it soak in for a while. I guess that's interesting once you go down your neck with it. So it's really just a really good thick moisturizer that you kind of like rub off the excess. So that's interesting. I like the fact that it's supposed to help like sunburns and stuff. Because it used to. I didn't burn yesterday, I think. But I did have some sunblock on my upper arms, trying not to get them tanner than what they are, because I'm already mismatched because I tanned on the outside but not underneath my arms, which I do at the pool. You know, being outside at a festival, you can't really do that. I'm trying to open this. It is 50 milliliters, 1.69 ounces. It's paraben free. A constantly controlled active water, rigorously selective and active ingredients, validated by rigorous tests of effectiveness, tolerance, and hypoallergenic. Silly. I can't even pronounce that word. Wow. Okay, tested under dermatological control, gentle formulas and textures developed to comfort sensitive skin. Okay. Carthamus seed oil. Oh, safflower seed oil. Live oils. Okay, there's palm oil. Spring water is the first ingredient in the mineral oil. So you have mineral oil and palm oil, which some people don't like. So. Oh, it is sealed. Just trying to smell ya. It doesn't really smell like anything. So, it's a white little cream. That's cool. Oh, this is bigger than I thought it'd be. This is from Murad. I'm hoping this is not what I tried before. I don't know. This is the Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. There's one thing in the Murad line my eyes didn't care for, but I don't think it was the serum. I think it was a cream. But 93% cell reduction in lines and wrinkles. Okay, no carmine. Water is the first ingredient, and glycerin. It says dramatically improve all key signs of eye area aging with this breakthrough eye serum powered by retinol triactive technology. This potent formula minimizes the looks of wrinkles and crow's feet while infusing skin with a nutrient-rich marine kelp complex to help lift, firm, and visibly brighten dark circles. Yes. Okay, see more revitalized, youthful looking eyes starting in just 1 week. I'm with the whole brightening eye crap. Okay. This is $85. Okay, $85. It's an expensive brand, but most of their products are really nice. Like, I actually love their primer, their silicone primer. Okay, this says you've tried eye creams before, we hope. But if we're being totally honest, an eye serum is what you need to get serious results in no time. The thinner consistency of this Murad eye serum penetrates deep into your skin, and the potent cocktail of peptides and retinol minimize the looks of fine lines and crow's feet, while the marine kelp complex lifts, firms, and brightens dark circles. Apply a small amount along your orbital bone in a patent motion using your ring finger. Gently massage it in a circular motion and tap it in for maximum absorption. For fast results, use morning and night on clean skin. I only use it at night. I'm too lazy to put it on anymore. Last thing in here is from Wonder Beauty. It is the Wondrous Seascape eyeshadow palette. This is actually carmine free, so go Wonder Beauty. It's the Wondrous Seascape eyeshadow palette. The Wonder Beauty 6-pan eyeshadow palette can transport you to the tropics for a lot less than a plane ticket. Loaded with a mix of foil, shimmery, satin, and matte finishes in shades of seafoam, deep blue, sandy brown, sea salt pink, and warm golds. These pigmented shadows infused with skin-loving ingredients can create endless looks on or off the beach. Tip for a sunny golden look: dust champagne harbor along your brow bone. Use your finger to pat golden reef onto your lid and finish by blending sand dollar into the crease. To take your look into the next level, smudge seafoam or coastal along the lower lash line. Those are the blue and green. Okay. Why does that look swatch? Okay, no, there, I don't think they are, but they're like dented in. And that's the way they're pressed, but look, it's like a dip in that, especially that C-shaped pan. I feel like it would be messy if it was swatched, right? Yeah. Maybe not. Swatching as good as you'd think they would. Like, this kind of need glitter glue. I'm not up to messing with it, so I'm not gonna try it. I'm not gonna try anything else. So yeah, it's not bad. It's just gonna need glitter glue. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.